Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video I will show you how to replace germ kit from water purifier. When indicator will be red, you will must be change the germ kit, otherwise the water will be overflowed. Looks like this one. You see that the indicator was red. For that I was bought a germ kit 800 taka for 1500 liter water. So I will unbox it. This is indicator. Here you see white color. This one is second part, and this one is third part. 3 tools make a set, change it at a time. I will replace it. For that I will open the purifier. This one is out of set, you can change it individual, and this one is first step. You will remove it, first one, then clean the tray and you will remove it, and second step you will remove the indicator. You remove it, just move it and turn it. Second step complete, and we will go third step. You just turn it left, it will remove, and turn it. Is a final step. You just turn right to left, it will remove. This is third one, and remove from the part. Clean all tray and it will be set. Need to uncover the part. Set the new one. The third part will be complete first. Just follow the process what I do. Job done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.